Hello mga kamamis! Naku, dumating na yung ating free sample. Naku, talaga naman, marami pong salamat. Comforts.ph. Naku, napakaganda nito guys kasi biruin mo, ito yung favorite color ko, natupad din sa wakas. No guys, naku, if I were you guys, mag-try kayo nito. Napaka-comfy nito guys. At saka ang mura lang niya guys, for only 200 plus lang. O diba, tinaw nyo naman, depende pa sa sale niya, no? Buy one, take one na to guys, no? Meron kayong mga choices, merong black, may white, may pink, may violet, may peach, may mustard. Nakita nyo naman, sa akin kulay pink. Guys, maganda to guys. Hindi ko muna siya bubuksan kasi talagang bubongga to, lalaki talaga to. 18 by 28 inches na siya. 750 grams. Ibig sabihin, napakabigat niya na. Magic pillow to guys ha. Buy one, take one. So, napakalambot nito guys with our 750 grams. Magic pillow, 18 by 28 inches. Nako, excited na ako mamayang gabi pagtulog ko, okay? So, if I were you, check out kayo at para maranasan yun magano kalambot. Bye-bye!